Children, we will study today chapter 19, representing 3D in 2D. Polyhedron. Polyhedron, a three-dimensional figure bounded by a polygonal region is called polyhedron. For example, cubes, cuboids, prism, and pyramids are polyhedrons, as all these are bounded by polygonal region. Here this figure, cube, cuboid, all these figures are the polyhedrons, showing polyhedrons. Polygonal region means each faces of the figure is polygon. Children, sphere, cylinder, cones are not polyhedrons, as all these are not bounded by polygonal region. Children, now we will know about the faces, edges and vertices. Here the figure and faces, the polygons forming a polyhedron are known as faces. The faces are A, B, C, D, the faces, OAD, OBC, OAB and OCD are the faces of this. Now the edges. The line segment common to intersecting faces of a polyhedron are called edges. What are the edges here? OA, OB, OC, OD, AB, BC, CD and DA are the faces in the figure. Now we will study about the vertices. Points of intersection of the edges of a polyhedron are called its vertices. Here the given figure, we have 5 vertices O, A, B, C and D. So with the help of this, we will do the sum of the exercise 19, and these points will help you to know about the Euler formula. Euler formula is what? We will study now. Children, now we will study about the Euler formula is that F plus V minus E equal to 2. F faces, V vertices, E, H. In the following figure, we have 5 faces, edges 8 and vertices 5. Now put the value in the Euler formula. 5 plus 5 minus 8, 10 minus 8, that is 2. Has the Euler formula. Children, I am taking example 2 in which the table is given, in which we have to find out the value of A, B and C. You know the Euler formula, we will use the Euler formula for that. F plus V minus E equal to 2. First sum, write the value of F8, VA, E12 equal to 2 or A equal to 2 plus 12 minus 8 equal to 6. So value of A equal to 6. Minus 12 will go on the right side, will be the positive, and 8 will go on the right side, will be the negative. So 2 plus 12, 14, 14 minus 8, 6. Here the second part, F plus P minus E equal to 2, value the B, 6 and 9 will go on the right side, B equal to 2 plus 9 minus 6 equal to 5. Here the F plus V minus E equal to 2, again use the formula where I put the value. F equal to 20, V equal to 12 and E equal to C. C is negative, C go on the right side and the 2 will come on the left side. We will subtract from the sum of 20 and 12 and we will give the 30. So C equal to 30. In that manner you will do the sum of the exercise 19. 16. Children, I am taking question number 5 of exercise 19. Here is given, can a polyhedron have 8 faces, 26 edges and 16 vertices? So use the Euler formula, F plus V minus E equal to 2. If they satisfy, the figure is satisfied this formula, then the polyhedron is possible or not. So put the value f equal to 8, v equal to 16 and e equal to 26 equal to 2. 8 plus 16, that is 24, minus 26 equal to 2. But 24 minus 26 is minus 2 and minus 2 is not equal to 2. Therefore the right hand side is not equal to the left hand side. Therefore polyhedron is not possible with this figure. Children, I am taking question number 11 in which dice are cubes where the sum of the number on the opposite faces is 7. Find the missing number A, B, C. So what is given? Dice are cubes where the sum of the numbers on the opposite faces is 7. Opposite faces number is 7. So we'll use this identities. So here we have 5 and we have to find A. Whenever you see, when you fold this figure, you will find that 5 will just opposite to A and is given that the opposite number having the sum 7. So A will be 7 minus 5, that is 2. So value of A is equal to 2. Same is here, B. When you fold this figure, you will find that B is opposite to 6. That means the sum should be 7. That means B would be 7 minus 6, that is 1. Same is here, the C is opposite to 4 and the sum should be 7. So C will be 7 minus 4 equal to 3. In that manner you can do the other sum of this exercise.